You cannot skip this. You can speak affirmations until you turn blue. You can visualize things until you turn blue, but it's not going to give you the spark that's needed to run the vehicle. It requires something of you. Learning from a neuroscientific standpoint is when neurons in your brain assemble, right, to form thousands of synaptic connections. And those connections then assemble into complex three-dimensional neurological networks. Think of learning as your brain is getting an upgrade. Some of y'all ain't elevating because you don't have an upgrade. You're still running on faulty old programmings. A lot of us are not attracting what and who we desire, the relationship that you want, the love that you want, the money that you want, the trips that you want, the vacations that you want, the healthy relationships that you want, the experiences that you want, because you're still running on faulty programs. You're engaging in entertaining stupidity because you're still running on a faulty program. You're still slapping your veins for all of the nonsense. When you pay attention to knowledge or information, new information that is, and it makes sense to you, this interaction with the environment leaves biological impressions in your brain. Remember what I said in the beginning, you cannot jump and go swimming in the pool and get out thinking that you're going to be dry. You're not going to get wet. Everything that you consume, you become. What are you consuming? What are you consuming? What are you paying attention to? Where is your attention? When you experience something new, your senses write the story neurologically in your brain, and even more neurons come together to make even more enriched connections, upgrading your brain even further. What does that mean? In order to reverse old, unhealthy, toxic programs, right? You have to have a new program. Not only that, you have to understand that there's processes within processes. You have to understand how you work biologically, chemically, neurologically, physically, spiritually, mentally, right? You have to know how you work. Whenever you are in the process of learning mental reprogramming to change your behaviors, to form new behaviors, you have to understand one of the fundamental processes that's going to happen is that your body and mind is going to naturally reject it. And I know a lot of us are stuck in our ways, right?